Faced with evolving logistics demands across regional and global markets, whether it's managing transportation modes, optimizing resource allocation, or reducing costs, Analytic Solver streamlines logistics optimization effortlessly, all within Excel. Picture shipping products across multiple locations, aiming to minimize costs and maximize efficiency. With Analytic Solver, you can easily convert transportation challenges into precise mathematical models in just a few simple steps. One click on Optimize delivers optimized results, empowering you to make smarter, faster decisions. As your operation expands, scaling your model remains effortless. Adding new nodes, whether factories, warehouses, or product lines, is both quick and intuitive. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly integrate additional variables and constraints, while state-of-the-art optimization engines ensure fast and accurate solutions tailored to your needs. When scaling to manage a growing product portfolio and coordinating across diverse distribution points, Analytic Solver makes it seamless. Easily adapt to increased complexity, optimize resource allocation, and achieve efficient data-driven solutions tailored to your expanding logistics ecosystem. Extend your model to incorporate fluctuating production costs, optimizing both transportation and production strategies for greater efficiency. With Analytic Solver, you are equipped with full deterministic and stochastic optimization capabilities, allowing you to account for uncertainty in your models. This comprehensive approach ensures you achieve your operational goals while fulfilling resource requirements and meeting delivery commitments with precision. Start using Analytic Solver today. Streamline transportation logistics, solve complex challenges effortlessly, and achieve efficiency while optimizing costs, all within the familiar Excel environment.